All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at this beautiful Lindy by Westin Homes. This property is absolutely gorgeous. You are not going to want to miss the inside of this one. This is probably close to one of my favorite properties by Westin Homes. And this one's a one-story, which is absolutely desired. As soon as you walk in, you're going to notice these beautiful tray ceilings in the foyer. You got that long hallway, but we'll start in the first bedroom. Look how gorgeous this is. So you have that beautiful wood accent wall on the back right there. You have 14-foot ceilings. Unbelievable. When I saw this, I was so in shock. It was ridiculous. So of course, this could be utilized as your guest room. You're gonna have carpet inside of here. Keep in mind, guys, this is a model home. So a lot of these are gonna be some of the fancy upgrades. As you can see right here, of course, you got the tile backsplash right there. Absolutely gorgeous shower tub combo with the tile flooring. And then even inside of this one, more of like a Hollywood bath or Jack and Jill kind of deal, and this will be your second bedroom. So of course they do share that bathroom right there, but you still got plenty of space. So if you notice inside of this one, they don't have the high ceilings like in the other one, so that one could be utilized, like I said, as a guest room. This could be for the kids and things like that. And of course, this is your first time to the channel. My name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out here and buy and sell real estate. So of course, if you do want more information, I have all the information you'll need in the description below. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. I really appreciate your loyalty. Hopefully you're enjoying these videos because I'm trying to bring them every single week just for you. As you can see inside of this bathroom, you still have that mirror framing right there. It looks very unique, kind of like that woodwork right there. You got quartz countertops inside of here. Even walking into the standing shower, you got your nice shower bench with your tile backsplash. Looks fantastic. Then you even have your walk-in closet kind of sectioned off. And I can't wait for you folks to see the kitchen in this one. I love the kitchen. I had a client that came through here and this was one of their choices right here. They wanted this one or Perry Homes, and they decided to go with Perry Homes, which was amazing because I would have thought they would have went with this one. They were contemplating for well over 2 days. They should choose this one. But as you see, you even have your 6-inch baseboard with the molding in there, and this will be your great room with your kitchen. So if you notice, you have your cathedral-like ceilings on top with the exposed wooden beam. Great for entertaining folks and things like that. You have plenty of space. And even right here, I'll show you real quick the study. Look at that. You got your exposed beam in there. You got your brick accent wall as well. Plenty of space. But look how gorgeous this is. You even have your fireplace right here centered. Looks perfect. Look how beautiful that is. You can't get much better than this. And of course, you know, one stories are highly desired, so this will be perfect because you still have plenty of space. Even right here, you got your nice little coffee bar area. And look how gorgeous this is. So you have your quartz T-island in here with your wooden range hood. The cathedral-like ceilings extends into the kitchen as well. A lot of them you'll see they'll either be in one of the other rooms. So I like how it extended it all along right there. Looks fantastic. And then of course you have your pot filler right here, plenty of space, great for entertaining folks. You got your farmhouse style sink right there. Look how huge this island is. Perfect to have the family around here for Thanksgiving. And of course you have your mudroom right here. Right to the right would be your garage, but this will be entering your laundry room. Of course, you got the cabinet crowning and things like that. And I'll even show you the pantry. Have a nice sized pantry as well. But look how gorgeous this is. I'll pan one more time before we go to the primary. Absolutely beautiful. You even have your stainless steel appliances built in. And this will be your primary bedroom. Look how gorgeous this is. So if you notice on the top, you have your double tray ceilings with the LED lighting, crown molding on the top, which is a great feature in my opinion, with the accent wall right here as well. 2 chandeliers going down over the nightstands. Look how gorgeous that is. So if you can imagine the ambience in this room, you know, you have the lights off and, you know, it's 7 o'clock and it's a perfect time. And then you have your tray ceilings in your ensuite right here. You got your vanity area over there. You got your luxe shower, your beautiful Hollywood bath. Look at this. It just looks fantastic with your standing shower, almost like a Marilyn Monroe shower right here. It looks great. And then I'll let you even see, of course, you got your standing shower with your nice tile backsplash with your shower bench. Tile flooring looks fantastic. And this is your walk-in closet. Plenty of space in here for any size wardrobe, a growing wardrobe. We all have those clothes that are just sitting in there that we don't even wear, but you'll have plenty of space to store that as well. Looks absolutely fantastic. And let me know in the comments what you folks think about that lighting fixture. I think it definitely adds a nice, unique taste. Absolutely gorgeous. And this will be the 4 bedrooms. And like I said, keep in mind, folks, this is the model house. So a lot of times, some of the standard upgrades may or may not come with this one. But as you can even see with the 2 chandeliers going into the foyer, chandelier right here as well. This one in the dining room, you have the tray ceilings again with the crown molding on top. And then even right here, you have your nice wine cellar as well. Now this is definitely an upgrade right here as far as a wine cellar. There's a couple inventory that they have right now that don't have that wine cellar, but of course, if you want to opt for it, we can make something happen for you. And then now going into the backyard, you have your nice oversized covered patio. You got tile flooring in here. You got that brick exterior. And just depending on if you like the brick or not, we have some other options for you that may make more sense for you. And of course, this is the backyard. So this one is in a community that's more kind of in the hills, it feels like, up North Houston. So this is what we're looking like. And that, folks, is Westin Homes. All right, folks, I hope you absolutely love this Westin Homes. This one was a shocker. It was absolutely great. I hope you thought the same. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. And of course, if you want more information, I have all the information you need in the description below. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.